Hey there everyone, it's Helen. I am the national artist for Sephora collection and I'm here at home. I'm so excited because I'm very passionate about clean beauty, which is just basically products that are formulated without some things you might not want. And we have a bunch of new ones for you and they're all under $25. I'm really excited too because all of these are basically applied with your fingers, which makes it super fast and simple. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how it goes. To kick off the Sephora Clean line, we have our new Clean Glowing Skin Foundation. And this is amazing. It comes in 20 shades. It has 10 hours of hydration. So it looks really like smooth and glowing on your skin. You just use a little bit and you can do it with your fingers, which is great. I love that. Just makes it really fast. This is the shade number 9. And I'm a little bit more tan than I normally would be. But I love this because when you have a tan, sometimes it can appear as like being a little dull, and this actually has a vitamin C in it, so it will really give you the effect of like a glowing skin. And the hydration comes from matcha tea, which I am obsessed with, and I drink like at least 3 cups every day. So I guess I'm hydrated from the inside out. You can see that gives like crazy good coverage right away. I feel like it's like a medium coverage. If you want less coverage, you just use less. If you want more, you just add more. It's really buildable. So next we have our new Clean Liquid Lip Mousse. And I have an amazing hack for this product. I love to use it actually as a cheek color. Because the texture is really velvety, it lends itself to being used in different ways. And because we're applying everything with our fingers, it just really makes it so it's easy to blend. So this has this really cool velvet mousse texture, and I'm using it in shade 3 Tulip. And this one's pretty bright, as you can see. It looks amazing on the lips, but you can really spread it out. So the Clean Liquid Lip Mousse, it looks amazing on your cheeks, but it also looks really great on the lips because it really smooths and blurs any lines that you might have. So if you do have drier lips, it tends to like fill everything out. It's not like a lip stain. It definitely will move, but it doesn't tend to like bleed or anything like that, which is really great. And truly just use your fingers to mush it into your foundation that you just applied. They blend really flawlessly together, and I love it. The best part about it is it actually comes in 8 shades, which is great. So you can do tulip on your cheeks, and you can do something totally nude or different, or maybe more plum on your lip. Next we have one of my favorite things about the new Clean line is our Clean Bouncy Eyeshadow palette. I am totally obsessed with this. It has 6 shades, which is really cool. And they're all this like really amazing pearlescent, like sheer formula. It's really beautiful. Highly recommend applying this with your fingers. I feel like that's truly the only way because it has a bouncy texture. Let's use this top one that is a little bit pink. It's this really beautiful shade. You can see I've used that one a little bit more than the others. I love this palette. It's really beautiful. And I'm just using it with my pointer finger. And I do recommend using a primer with this because it has this really like smooth, bouncy texture. It just makes it so you need something to grab onto almost. It lasts a lot longer, like any eyeshadow, with a primer. So I would highly recommend using a primer. And I already applied mine, so I'm just going straight in with this pink shade. And you can see it's really pearly, and what's really cool about it is that these shadows don't have any pigment in them, so the pearl is like a true pearl, and they just lay down really beautifully. Sometimes when I use something that's pearlescent and it's more of a powder, it just looks a little too chalky on my lid and it just makes things look dry. This just applies super smoothly, which I'm obsessed with. So now I'll do it to the other side. To finish off this look, I mean, of course you can just go like this, but I'm going to add a little bit of depth using the darker shade just so you can see the difference between a light and deep shade. Okay, so again, use your fingertips and you just go sweep right underneath the eye. And what I also love about this palette is that it's made of cardboard, all from sustainably managed forests, which is incredible. So it's made with 99% less plastic than most palettes, which is so, so cool. And now I'm just gonna finish up the other side. Let's complete the eye look with some mascara. So I have the Tarte C Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara, and this mascara is so incredible. I feel like a lot of times when you think of a natural mascara or even a vegan mascara like this is, so it's formulated without beeswax, a lot of times you think like, oh, it might flake or something like that. And this one does not. It is absolutely incredible. So I'll show you on this side. What's really great about it is it has like the tapered brush, so it makes it really easy to apply on those inner lashes, and it builds really, really beautifully. So you can leave it just, you know, one layer, and it's this natural like fluffy lash, and then it builds like crazy in the best way, where it's like volumized at the bottom or the base of the lash, and then it gets like really, really like tapered and beautiful at the end. And another really cool thing is there's vitamin E in it, so it conditions your lashes, which is great. Love anything that's gonna make your lashes be longer and more luscious naturally. And it also has algae in it, so if you tend to be a little bit more sensitive to mascaras, algae has like skin soothing qualities to it, so maybe give this a try and see if it works for you. Maybe give this one a try and see if it helps with that. So as you can see, it's already volumizing and making a huge difference from one eye to the other. You can really continue to build this up, and I even like to go back and forth just to get even more like length and mega volume. So I'm just gonna go into the other eye, and I might touch up this eye as I go to just build more volume. So you can even see like this is just one layer, and this is kind of 2 layers, and it just really continues to build, which is great. So if you just like a light fluffy look, this is your 1 layer. And last but not least, we have the Clean Glossy Lip Oil. I decided not to do the Clean Liquid Lip Mousse on my lips because I wanted to show you this one. I love a glossy lip, and lip oils are amazing for hydration, and I always have dry lips personally. So this one is in Cherry, and it is gorge. It gives like really good color payoff, but it also has watermelon seed oil in it, which really hydrates your lips. This is the whole look. It is super easy, as you can see, and all applied with fingertips, which is great. So if you are excited to try our new clean beauty line, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.